Hi, this is a tutorial on how to set up your Google site for our Environmental Systems and Society class, or anyone else interested in setting up a Google site. So here's our website for Environmental Systems and Society. We'll probably want to bookmark that for our class. And you notice here it says Student Sites. Well, I keep Student Sites. Click that. Internet's a bit slow, so I already have the tab open. And I click that. I have all my students in here who have done sites before. Every student does a site. It's easier than it sounds, so don't freak out if you've never built a Google site before. There's some demos in here, and I'm going to actually put this video I'm making right now, this tutorial right here as well for all of us to see soon. And some ideas of what will go into the site down there. We won't get into all the words and details now, but let me show you how to start this process. Open up Google Drive and click New. So in Google Drive, and we click New. And you'll notice down here, it doesn't show up necessarily. And if I go to More and hover over that, I'll find Google Sites. It's a blue icon with some squares in it. And I'll click on Google Sites. I click that, click, and this will open. All right. If this doesn't look the same on yours, some people, it directs them to the older Google Sites. I hope everything's good now with Google. So if there's a problem, just let me know. So we should be here. One thing we'll want to do very quickly is to rename this page. Triple click. Environmental Systems and Society. There you go. There's your title. Also name the file ESS. And it'd be good if we all use the same protocols. First name, last name. That's it. Okay. Once that's there, you'll see your name pop up. You can change this to be as beautiful as you want, and I love that. Add your favorite environmental style photograph in here. Make it look nice. Later in class, we'll start actually putting information in this place, links and things like that. But for now, this is it. This is your home site, your home page. Next one, we'll add 2 pages. So go to Pages and add down here, new page. I click it, and this will be a blog. Done. Now I have a blog page ready to go. I'm going to add one more page, and this will be case studies. Case studies are bigger projects that we're going to do, probably 3 in year 1 of the course and 1 in year 2 of the course, graded larger projects, and this is a great place that we store them and share them. They should be shared, this information. It's good stuff you're going to be finding for us. And that's it. We will populate it in class, and we'll talk about what we're going to do and what kind of things we're going to share in our blog very soon. But before we leave, don't leave yet, hit the plus button here. This is the share, this little person with the plus, and you're going to share it with me. And add me as an editor. That's really important because this is how I can help you if things jam up or I need to switch something around. You need any help with anything, I can get right in there and fix it. So add my name, start typing it, and it's going to say an option editor. I'll just add Mr. Giddens. He pops up first on my list, and it says editor, and then I would push send. And I would get this by email, and everyone would be happy, and I can help you if you run into difficulties. Okay, that's it. In class, we'll talk about how to spark it up, make it look really nice. If you want to add images, and then we'll start putting important bits and pieces in here, like important links and the blogs, and maybe a template for our case study as well. So we'll get into the nitty-gritty of this together. But right now, you have the background, and congratulations, you've made your first website. Awesome.